everyone. Welcome back to my English language course. In today's class, we are going to study how to write an application. An application is a letter of formal request that we write to people with whom we have formal relationship. For example, principal of a school. A very common and important question that occurs in an exam is writing a letter. Then let it be formal letter or informal letter. I am not going in details as many important points are already discussed in the last 3 lectures. For further information, please watch the videos. In today's class, we are going to study how to write an application. An application is a kind of formal letter. It is a formal letter. So, while writing it, we need to be very careful, formal, and to the point. What I feel is that writing an application correctly is not only important for the students but also for those who work in offices, as everyone has to write it for several purposes. Many people, though educated, fail to write an application correctly. If an application is written systematically and properly, it creates a very good impression of a writer. So please pay attention, watch the whole video and try to understand. This video will definitely help you to overcome the obstacles that you face while writing an application. So let us see how to write an application. Formal letter and application. We need to take into consideration some important points while writing an application. Please pay attention. I am reading the features. Features of an application. Number 1. An application is a form of formal letter. Number 2. The language and tone of the letter should be very formal. Number 3. The name and address of the receiver should be written properly. Subject is introduced before salutation. Number 5. The recipient is addressed by Sir, Madam or Dear Sir, Dear Madam. A student can write Respected Sir or Respected Madam. Number 6. The subscription is usually yours faithfully or yours truly. But if you are a student, you can write yours obediently. Number 7. The body of the letter should be very clear, relevant and to the point. So, think of all these points while writing an application. See the question now. You should always read the whole question and try to understand what is asked in it. The question is, write a letter to the principal of your school requesting leave to attend the wedding of your brother. Your letter should contain the details of the place of the wedding and the number of days that you want leave. End your letter with reassurance that you will make up your own for the work that will go on in your class during your absence. In this question, you are asked to write a letter to the principal of your school. The second thing is that your letter should contain the details of the place of the wedding and the number of days you want leave. Then you are asked to end the letter with the reassurance that you will complete your work on your own. Okay? This is the meaning of the question which is asked here. Now, let us start writing the application. You know the format of formal letter, and an application is also a formal letter. So, first of all, the sender's address should be written. Means you should write your address. I have written here B51, Aniha Apartment, Ashok Vihar, Lakshmi Bai Road, Delhi. Then leave one line and write the date on which you are writing the letter. This should be written as you see here. I have written 30 October 2020 because I wrote the letter on this date. Then again leave one line and write the address of the receiver or addressee. Here you need not write the factual address. Means sender's and receiver's address need not be factual if it is not mentioned in the question. I have written the principal, St. Thomas School, KB Road, New Delhi. Then leave one line and write the subject. Means about what you are writing the letter. I have written request for leave to attend brother's marriage. In bracket I have written leave application. Again leave one line and write the salutation. You are asked to write to the principal. You are a student. So you can write respected sir or respected madam. Any one of these can be written. Then put comma, leave one line and start writing the body or content of the letter or application. This part is very important. As we do in other formal letters, in application 2, this part should be divided into 3 paragraphs. In the first paragraph, you should introduce or you should tell the reason of writing the letter. See the first paragraph. I am reading here. I am Priya Malhotra, studying in class 9. I would like to apply for leave from 7 November 2020 to 16 November 2020. My elder brother is getting married and I would like to attend all the functions connected with the wedding. You can see that the writer has introduced herself and written the reason of writing the letter. This is the introductory part. Now leave one line and start writing the second paragraph. Now the second paragraph. This paragraph should contain the details of your problem or subject. See what I have written here. I am reading. My brother and his fiancée both reside in America and are working. Hence, the dates cannot be changed. Therefore, I would like to apply for leave for the period mentioned above. This wedding is a very happy occasion for that all of us have been looking forward for a long time. I know that this is quite close to the exams, but I assure you that I shall make up for the classes that I will miss during my absence. I am quite regular in my work and have good grades consistently. You can rely on me to get all the notes and to study all the material that I will miss. In this paragraph, the details are given as asked in the question. The writer has assured the principal to complete her work on her own. In this paragraph, you should write the main content. Okay? Now, the third paragraph is I hope you will keep my past record in mind and grant me leave. My family and I will be always grateful to you. This is the concluding paragraph. The writer has again requested for leave. In this way, the body or the content part of the letter is over. Now, leave one line and write thanking you. As you are a student, you should write thanking you. Then again leave one line and write the subscription. You are a student and so you can write yours obediently. And finally, your name and surname should be written. See what I have written here. Yours obediently, Priya Malhotra. In this way, we have finished the application. Okay, understood? In this way, if you follow the given format and write a letter or an application, you can definitely get full marks. The steps are very important in letter writing. So, I hope that you have understood the application which we have just studied. With the help of this example, you can write as many formal letters as you want in a very good way. In the next video, we will study one more example of formal letter. Till then, bye-bye. Thank you.